Morning light fills the bedroom. It feels calm and quiet.
I'm still sleepy. I don't want to get up.
A skateboard stands beside the bed, waiting for the day.
Jack, wake up now.
Okay, Mom, I'm waking up. Yes, my skateboard. Today will be fun.
Everyone looks tired. Eat breakfast first.
I need coffee. I'm so sleepy.
I can't keep my eyes open.
This coffee helps, but I'm still tired.
The car drives down a quiet road. The morning is peaceful. The school building looks big and quiet.
I'm here. I feel proud today.
Have a good day, Jack.
I'm going in. See you later.
The schoolyard is empty. No students are there. The school doors are closed. It feels strange.
What does this sign say? Huh, no school today.
A janitor sweeps the ground, calm and steady.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Look at the sign. No school today.
What? Are you serious? Oh no, this is so embarrassing. I stayed up late for nothing. I have to go back to the car. No school today. That's the problem.
No school today. What do you mean?
Closed? Really? I can't believe it.
Sorry, this is kind of funny.
So we drove here for nothing.
Yes, and we are so tired. Okay, let's go home.
I feel terrible.
I need sleep. My face hurts.
I'm trying not to get mad.
At least the board is ready. I'm sorry. I feel so stupid.
The car is quiet. Everyone thinks silently.
I will hold it carefully. Nothing will happen to it.
The sun rises higher. The day continues. The living room feels peaceful again.
I will put it here, safe and straight.
Let's talk for a minute.
Okay, Mom, I will listen.
Here, Dad, more coffee.
Thank you. I really need it.
So, no school, huh? Please don't tease me. I'm sorry, everyone. I caused this.
I hear you. Thank you for saying sorry.
It's okay. We learned a lesson.
I forgive you. Just be honest next time. Thank you. I feel better now.
You worked hard. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. I really tried.
Next time, we check the calendar first.
Dad, Your joke is bad, but funny. Okay, it's a little funny now.
Let's relax today.
Yes, no rushing today.
I want to rest all day. Me too. I'm exhausted.
Sunlight fills the room. The mood is calm.
We are together. That matters.
Yes, I'm grateful.
We still did good teamwork.
Yes, we did.
Tomorrow, I will be ready. My board is right there. It looks good. I must check my pockets every time. Phone, keys, out, not in my pants.
Good job. That is smart.
I learned my lesson. Thumbs up. You can do it. Thanks, Emma.
Ah, I feel better now.
The family moves slowly, calm and relaxed. Time passes from morning to afternoon.
I will check my board again. Everything looks correct. I will fix this small part.
I will cook something warm for us.
I'll clean the table, slow and easy.
I can help you, Dad.
Thank you, Emma.
This feels much better today.
Yes, peaceful and calm.
Now it is truly finished. I'm proud of myself.
Don't forget to pack for tomorrow.
I won't forget, I promise. Okay, Mom, I understand.
Good, stay responsible.
My backpack is ready on the table. I will check my pockets again. Phone and keys go here, not in my pants.
I like this new habit.
Me too, it helps. I'm watching you. Yes, yes, I know.
I'm proud of you, son.
Tomorrow will be better. I'm ready. Okay, board, stay safe right there.
The calendar shows tomorrow circled.
Tomorrow, that's my big day.
The family relaxes at home. The mood is warm.
This evening feels peaceful.
Yes, much better.
I'm sleepy. I'm going to bed. My game is here, but I'm done today. Good night. See you tomorrow.
The house is still. Moonlight enters the rooms. Oh,